What up, YouTube? Second box of Gridiron gear here. Last box is a hot box, pretty nice. Looking again, always for the Matt Ryan. Probably never gonna happen, but we'll see. First pack. All base. I'm sorry if there's glare. It's sunny outside and right near the window. We got a Reggie Wayne, number 200. Oh my God, a Steve Young dual patch autograph, number 25. That is sick. From my last couple boxes, I pulled 2 Steve Young jerseys. I've been pulling Steve Young. Oh my God, that is sick. Dual patch of Steve Young autograph, number 25. That is sick. Oh my God. My third Steve Young out of Gridiron gear, but the other 2 were just base jerseys. Oh my God, that was a nice hit. We got a rookie of Mike Hart, number 999. That was nice. We got Brandon Marshall, O, number 250. We have a player timeline of Darren McFadden, number 250. We got a playbook, Adrian Peterson jersey, number 250. It's my first Adrian Peterson, so it's nice. We got a Next Generations Ray Rice, number 250. We got a rookie of Devon Bess, number 999. We got a rookie of Ryan Touraine, number 999. Base. We got a next generations of Glenn Dorsey, numbered to 500. A Peyton Manning X, numbered to 250. We have performancers of Dante Wavelli, numbered to 500. We have a rookie of Justin Harper, numbered to 999. Last pack should be a hit in here. And oh sweet, we have a Calvin Johnson dual patch, three color, numbered to 50. This was a sick box. So overall, we'll start off with the Adrian Peterson jersey, numbered to 250. We have the Calvin Johnson dual patch, three color. It's part of the nameplate and the number. And we have Steve Young dual patch, 2 colors, autograph, numbered to 25. So thanks for watching. The third box is coming up.